Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Large Nirvana 4.0 by Peter Rassenti for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget, of course, to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this new iteration of the iconic Nirvana. In this case, this is a Large Nirvana. In fact, look at that, 3.5 inches for the cutting edge and 4.5 inches for the handle, for 8.1 inches overall in length for this gorgeous, integral, titanium frame lock, handmade by the man himself, Peter Rassenti. Look at this beautiful lines, guys. Really, really cool. So this is a titanium integral, which means that the frame is milled out by a solid billet of titanium, as you can see. There's no screws except for the pivot, so the maintenance and disassembly is gonna take like probably 3 minutes. It is fantastic. Stonewashed frame, stonewashed titanium clip, titanium hardware for the clip, and zirconium hardware and zirconium collar. In this case, really sleek knife. This is a very, very nice knife, guys. I'm telling you, I like the Nirvana, like you know, from start to start with, but this is. Like a nice evolution. I see some tweakings. I see Peter sitting down at the desk and drawing and refining and slowly reaching like perfection in form of a knife shape. It's just gorgeous. Like this area here, I can see the amount of work that went in. It is the main improvement for this guy, for sure. I mean, it's a gorgeous knife, guys. The lines have been tweaked. You got some nice chamfering going on over here. Of course, you get iconic also signature on the lock bar, cut-out relief. You got a tip-up carry-only titanium pocket clip, thumb hole for like thumb hole deployment, or you want to do like a spidey flick, like so. You can do maybe with the index finger, so it's pretty good. It's like, you see, like the jimping is pretty aggressive here, so you can actually almost like pull it off like kind of like a front flipper. It's gonna shred your finger, but sometimes you can. Now this guy needs a little bit of break-in period, but nonetheless, I mean, it's not a flipper and it's not even like a front flipper. It's just like, you can do also like a slow roll like that, which is fantastic, or just like flick it like so. Gorgeous knife, guys. Let's quickly check the weight on this fella, because of course, imagine like having like this with a full size backspacer. It's gonna be like 4.4 ounces, so not too bad. It is like I don't know, it's one really of my favorite knives ever. It is so good that you know, the large, the small, the sound, the ergos, I really love it. It's just, yeah, that good. But anyways, if you want to know more, guys, please check out my full-length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.